Good morning, children. In English literature today, take out your English book and turn to page number 83. We are doing the lesson Miss Ria Comes to Class. This is a play. Yesterday you read page 82. I said I am going to divide the reading into 4 parts. But further, I have to divide it into 5 equal parts because page 83 will be very long to read. Other pages are just half a page. So I am going to divide page 83 into 2 parts. So you are only going to read half of the page today. So in the first reading that you did, you know that the students are seated in the class. Miss Das enters and wishes the students, and the students wish Miss Das in return. And then Miss Das says that a special person is coming to talk to us today. The students want to know who that special person is. And Miss Das says it is none other than our school nurse, Miss Ria. Then enters Miss Ria smiling. So on page 83, I will read Miss Ria. Hello, dear students. Students cheerfully. Good morning, Miss Ria. Miss Das. Miss Ria will tell us about first aid. Miss Ria. Well, students, do you know what first aid means? Johnny, can you tell us? Johnny. First aid is the help you give to someone who is hurt or sick before you take the person to the doctor. Miss Ria. Well done, Johnny. First aid is very important. It can save someone's life. But we must learn how to help in the correct way. Miss Das. The most important thing to remember is to first call an adult for help. The person who is hurt needs to be taken to a doctor or a hospital as quickly as possible. Miss Ria. Exactly. So, let's see what other things we need to keep in mind. Shall we have a quiz? Students shouting excitedly, quiz, quiz. So children, today I'm going to stop at this because the reading will be very long if I go on reading the whole page. So today you will read from Miss Ria. Hello, dear students, till students shouting excitedly, quiz, quiz. Now here in today's reading, Miss Ria enters the class and says hello to the students. And the students wish ma'am, Miss Ria in turn. And Miss Das says that Miss Ria is here to tell us about first aid today. Then Miss Ria says, today we are going to talk about first aid. What does first aid mean? And she says, Johnny, can you tell us? And Johnny gives the right answer. He says that first aid is the help given to someone who is hurt or sick before you take the person to the doctor. Then Miss Ria says, okay, well done, Johnny. First aid is very, very important. It can save someone's life. But we must learn how to help in the correct way. Then Miss Das says, the most important thing to remember is to first call an adult for help, an elder person for help. Children cannot handle things on their own, so they must first go and look for an adult. And then after giving him first aid, the person must be taken to the doctor or a hospital as quickly as possible. Then Miss Ria says, exactly. So She wanted to know what other things we need to keep in mind when a person gets hurt. Then she says, shall we have a quiz? Then the students, they are, as you know, children, you children also are very fond of quiz. So the children shouts excitedly. They're very excited and they say quiz, quiz. So only do the reading part, children, from Miss Ria, hello dear students, up to student shouting excitedly, quiz, quiz. Please send in your audios in my WhatsApp. This is your English literature assignment for today.